Picking up a Mustang shell here. What's up, man? So at the complex, does it need to go face in or back in? Or does it matter? You want to back it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, does that make it harder for you?
It doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
I'm just thinking I don't want you to have the plate exposed out.
Well, it's going in my garage.
Oh, okay,
so
then it doesn't matter.
The parking lot is, we should be able to put it off or take it off the bed.
Yeah.
And if I turn the wheel,
just push it.
I could just push it. I was gonna ask you, can I pay you a little extra to help me push it?
You don't gotta pay me extra. We'll just do that.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
So which way? You want it backed into the garage?
Back it into the garage, yeah.
Okay, so we want to pull it front facing then.
Right.
Okay. Go ahead and unlock the steering wheel. Yeah. Put the parking brake down. And then, is there a seat and all that in there for you?
No, there's not.
Oh, okay. Okay. Just try not to let it get away from us, because we're gonna need to steer it too, obviously.
Right.
So are you able to steer and push from there?
Fuck.
Someone steal your rack? That's the one thing we needed to do is steer. That didn't sound like the tie rods are connected. Yeah, no, those are not connected.
What the fuck?
Or at least the one isn't. That one looks like it is.
It's not connected. Oh shit. Oops.
Forgot we took the parking brake out and let me put that back on. Is it where you can reach down and is there a nut on the top of the tie rod? Can we just slip it back in there real quick or no? Or is that even what the problem is?
Yeah, it's not hooked up to that.
Oh, I just saw the steering shaft.
Yeah,
it should just slide back on there, no? Here, I can hold the hood.
Oh, yeah.
I got it.
Okay.
I got you, yeah.
Whoa.
Say it should be like a slip joint, right? There you go.
Yeah. That's why, okay.
No worries. All good. I was like, oh, fuck.
I was gonna say, no one touches this fucking thing.
Right.
I'm swapping it, so it's completely fucking gutted.
Hell yeah.
Like,
Oh, does the hood not latch either?
Oh, fuck.
And there's, I can put a hook through here and just cinch it down to the winch. Yeah, no problem.
It's been a while since I touched this fucking thing.
No worries.
I quit here like almost a year ago.
Oh, shit.
They told me, they're like, hey, can you take the Mustang?
You're like, yeah, I guess. Cool, man. Put the parking brake back down, and now we can steer it.
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
Other way. Other way.
Oh, shit.
You got lots of room over here if you want to cut it. We'll clear the car now. All right. Wherever it lands is fine. We don't got to push it up. I'll just back up to it. Straighten the wheel out for me. That was funny. I was like, tie rods? Nope, the entire steering shaft is not connected. That's funny. All good. Glad we got it figured out for him. Turn it a little bit to the right if you can. Right there. Perfect. There's a gate code there, right? I'll have you just wait, like, follow me in and then go around me at the end.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Yeah, once we turn left off of Scottsdale, just pull around in front of me and then I'll follow you in.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't mind a metal hook, I take it?
No, you're good.
Okay. Just want to make sure. Says the project, wasn't sure how emotionally invested he was to it. Eep. Oop, not that one. Where's the damn single hook? What the hell? Of course, it's gonna be the last one I grab. stupid. All right. All right. Quick and easy, nice and cheesy.
You got a YouTube channel?
I do. Just my name, my first and last name, Mikey Indigo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't mind, do you?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty like stacked up on videos right now, so this probably won't be on there until like December-ish.
Oh, okay.
If you're interested.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's what I was asking.
Yeah.
I love YouTube. I video
Same.
all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. All right. Do you have the engine and trans and everything for it already?
Yeah, it's over at the front.
Oh, okay. You don't want to just take it there? Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be like an at-home project.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha. That's cool, you have a garage there.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's a single pod.
Shit, that'll do it. That's all you need.
Yeah.
You putting a Coyote in it or something else?
I don't know yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was thinking about just putting the 4-valve Mustang in it.
There you go.
Mustang engine.
A lot cheaper.
Yeah. I went to junkyard for like $600.
Right. Yeah. Hell yeah. I'd go that route, honestly. I didn't even think about turbo kits for those are probably dirt cheap too.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Set the parking brake.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Good to go. Do 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 do. Yeah, I was gonna say too, if you're interested, my Instagram's got all my cars on there if you want to check them out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, same thing, just my first and last name, Mikey Indigo.
Mikey Indigo?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
For sure.
You start making money off YouTube yet?
No, I haven't got, I mean, I've got enough subscribers too, I don't know, I'm not super into like putting ads on videos just yet, I don't know.
Right.
They've hit me up about it too.
Yeah.
And I've had like, surprising, but I had an equipment, like towing equipment, people hit me up to like do advertising and like use their equipment. I'm like, I'm not at that point yet.
Yeah.
Like I want the company to feel like that I'm, you know, putting on to feel like they're getting their money's worth.
Right.
But I don't want to be beholden to them either.
Right.
So. There's been quite a few people drifting these lately. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Dude, that's so sick. Like, there's so many of them too, so it's like almost never run out of them.
Yeah, this one I'm turning it into a Jaguar.
There you go. Hell yeah.
It's like the same price for all the parts, the bumper,
Right.
you know, literally everything. So
Hell yeah.
that'd be pretty cool to put the 4 valves that the Cobra already has.
Yeah.
Switch everything out.
That'd be rad.
Half the work's already done.
Nice.
With the gutting and everything.
Right. Hell yeah.
Why not?
All right, man. I'll meet you over there.
All right, awesome.
We going left or right once we go in? Just so I know. Okay. Cool. All right. Let's get up there. I always do that. I tap past the freaking passcode thing and then yeah, whatever. In the cheeks. I was gonna say, I pulled over, that's why it took me so long. I pulled over and attached the hood, or stitched it down.
Okay.
I forgot and I was like, shit. Yeah. Let me take that off real quick. I was like, I will feel terrible if he also needs to do a windshield and a hood, probably, fuck.
It's getting replaced anyway.
Either way, it's not mine to break. All right. I was like, he's definitely gonna wonder where the hell I went. I was like, all right. I pulled over off camera. Did that. Alrighty. All right.
There's my other project right there, the Ford Excursion.
Oh, there you go. Hell yeah.
Someone towed it. Well,
It got
this
towed?
company towed it.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, I had to go fucking pick it up at Quick Tow. They towed it in the middle of the night.
Oh.
With the tags.
I thought you were saying we towed it. I was like,
Oh, no.
I was like, we don't do that type of towing.
No.
Yeah, no, I got you. Damn.
That one drives, so.
Right. Hell yeah. Yeah, those are cool. Is it the V10?
Yeah.
Nice. Those came with the 7.3 variant, right?
Yeah, the diesel.
Hell yeah. Those are rare though, I assume.
Yeah, I've only seen 2 in Scottsdale so far.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I don't know that I've ever seen one, but I also don't look for them, so I don't know. But
Yeah. It's always like when you get a car,
you start
then
seeing
you
them
start
everywhere.
seeing
Yeah.
them.
Yeah. All right. If you want to steer it while we're going down, feel free. Take the parking brake off while you're in there too, please. Huh?
It's still hooked on.
Yeah. So it's not gonna go anywhere. All right, ready? Just kind of walk it down. Just watch your step. You can probably start turning now, honestly. Yeah, just not too crazy. Don't want to run. Actually, we got a lot of room over there. Cut it a little bit. Yeah. Keep going. You're good. Keep going. Probably just hold it right there for a second. Yeah. We're not close to the edge, but I'm just trying to leave some buffer zone. All right, cut it. Keep going. Yep. All right, wherever it stops, let me unhook and then we'll push it the rest of the way. Cool. All right.
Kind of glad it's like engine transfer.
Right. That'll make this a lot easier.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Just watch your door. Should be good. Yeah. Straighten it out. Oh, you want to go forward? All right, turn it back to the left a little bit. There you go. Straighten out. There we go. Watch your door. I was gonna say. Yeah, I was gonna say we might want to just, steer it a little bit more to the left, and then we'll go straight. And then once it's straight, go more. Once it straightens out, then we can close the door and straighten the wheel out, and then just heave-ho it straight back.
Right.
All right, right about there.
Right there.
Yep. Straighten it out. I think we'll be good right there. Close the door and then jump in front here with me. Just watch your side. All right. Got about 4 inches on my side.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Okay. All right. I don't know how far back you need to go. Just enough. All right. Set the parking brake. Yeah. Put the truck away and then we'll get you paid up. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, no worries. I'm gonna get my drop-off picture too. I didn't get any pictures at the pickup, but that's all right. Got video if we need. Don't think we're gonna need it, but never know. All right. Oh, nose started running. Don't do that. All right. No one came out or in trying to use their garage that I'm blocking, so that's good too. We'll see ya on the next one. I hate pushing cars. Even shells. It's just annoying. All good though. Later. Alright, Monday morning. Got a 90-something Jag. Let's see. Oh, 87 Jag. How you doing? You want me to just back up to it?
Or I can drive it out there. It's kind of...
I just wasn't sure if you wanted me on your driveway with my truck.
Huh?
I just wasn't sure if you wanted me on your driveway with my truck.
You want to back it up?
I can.
Okay.
I just want to make sure you're okay with it.
Yeah.
Okay. How many times did I have to say that? All right. Stupid leg cover things are falling. Annoying. All right. Yeah, especially when someone's house is super nice and they got a nice driveway, I always make sure, triple confirm they want me on their driveway with my giant stupid truck. 'Cause if my car ran even a little bit and I had a driveway like this, I would not. But, you know, that is their decision to make. So I leave it up to them. Sounds good. I'd rather not pull on it, so that works for me. Is it silver or blue?
This one? Silver.
Silver? It's very nice. I like the color.
Yeah, thank you. You got the address where you're going?
I do. I'll double check it with you before I go. Yeah. All right. Let me get a couple pictures of it. Get the plate and the VIN.
Yep.
Oh, we got the plate and the VIN already. Very good. Let me get a couple pictures and we'll get it out of here. Alright. Is the key in it?
Yeah, keep in it.
Okay. This thing is super clean. It's misfiring. Where's the parking brake? It probably, oh, it's right there. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Sounds good. Just so people know, the mechanic never wants you to come with your vehicle. I can almost assure you of that. I'm sure they don't mind it necessarily, but it's not necessary. I promise. They'll call you if they need anything. Why is this strap twisted up like that? Let's fix that, because that's annoying. I think I know who did that, and it wasn't me. People trying to help. It's alright. Not worried about it. Not a big deal. That is a huge bolt holding that tie-down hook on, jeez. It's like a M16. Alright. confirm the drop-off address with him, get him paid up, and get this thing over to, I forget the name of the shop. It's a small Euro shop that's like closed to the public. You have to know the guy for him to work on your stuff. I can't remember what it's called though. But if you know, you know. It's one of those kind of places. See you there. Alright, starting the clip a little early because we gotta back in this place somehow. Oh my god. This place sucks. I've only been here one other time and I remember it being just as bad. It's got cars everywhere. He's pretty close to a main, what do you call it? Crossroads, intersection, whatever the hell. And he's got a single car wide lane to back into. Crazy. But we make it happen. Huh?
Right corner.
Oh yeah. I've been to this place one or two other times and I was like, shit, I think it is that place. Ay, ay, ay. Don't buy old British cars. It's not a worthwhile investment, I promise you. This is where you will end up more than you will be on the road. 100%. No exceptions, as far as I know. Really, yeah, literally, it's like that on both sides. The other side is just the building, but cars all along this side. What am I doing? I gotta take this all the way out. Getting ahead of myself. Really. I think the first or second time I came here too, there was another truck dropping, and obviously only one truck can drop at a time, and I had to like circle the whole block like twice. Crazy. Whatever. Get it done. This is the shop I thought, where I said the guy only does like if you know, working on people's cars. This place is called Dave's Import. It's not the place I was thinking of. I can't remember the name of the other place, but it doesn't matter. All these weird little British cars, and then that super sick Pontiac. I think that thing was here last time, so I remember talking about it. It's gotta be the owners, I'm guessing. Alright. Yep, sorry. Circle the block, guy. No worry for you to park that thing. Glad we got here before that guy did. See if he parked right in my way. Or maybe off to the side if he had a brain, but most people don't, so. Oh, there you go. There's a sign. Dave's Import Service. I think they pretty much only work on British stuff, mainly Jaguars, but there's a couple of Range Rovers here too, so same. All right. Roll it down. Whew. Oh my gosh. The interior on this thing is super clean. Very nice with the wood. I'm imagining it's real wood too, but who knows. Oh, not drive. We want neutral. And then parking brake down. Okay. Nice and slow. his tires are either really clean or he's got some alignment issues, because I can like hear him scrubbing. And those are the only 2 times that you ever get that, in my experience at least. All right, park, ignition off, my ass out. I'll leave the parking brake off so he doesn't forget to take it off when they go to move it. Is that a Tempest or a GTO? I think it's a Tempest. That thing's cool. Or it might be a Le Mans? Is that what the other ones are called? I don't know. There's so many models of those 60s cars. They all look the same to me after a while. Terrible. I'm not good with identifying old cars like that. Let's get the drop-off picture before we get the bed in the way. Good to go. And let's get out of here. See yous on the next one. Ugh.